I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know.
Hey guys, another day, another vlog. I just realized that I never say hey to you guys. Like, I just come and talk to you guys like you are not humans. I'm so sorry about that. It's a rainy season in Korea. It's going to rain for the whole week.
Now it's closer to 11 and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know. Say, where are you? So hard to reach, just pick up your phone.
It's a Friday in Korea. I just came back from work and I had to get something to eat. I don't have to cook today because I have to be somewhere tomorrow. I'm going to do some. And guys, I cannot believe it's a rainy season already in Korea. I want to show you guys what I got for dinner. Sama po guys, this is one I can explain. This is my current favorite burger. It has creamy mushroom and cheese. It's so good. Can you guys see that? And then I got fries. I like my fries with some ketchup. 맛있어요. I have 4 wings. I don't know why they removed spicy wings from the menu. They used to have hot wings, but they don't have them anymore. They slap. Take a bite. Yes guys, as I was saying, I'm starting a vlog today on a Friday night because I'm going to Busan tomorrow. Do we have plans for the weekend? No, we don't have plans. It's raining almost everywhere in Korea. We were planning to chill by the beach, but it's raining, so I have to stay in the house the whole weekend. I want to watch Shaka Ileme so bad. I watched season 1 last year using DSTV from home, but now I cannot have access to DSTV anymore. How are you guys watching Shaka Ileme or just DSTV in general? If you are using a VPN, please let me know in the comment section which VPN you guys are currently using. These are so good. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow when I go to Osa. Take a bite, come on us. Please watch my Busan vlog. Good morning, guys. I'm at the station. I need to get something to eat. Just a sandwich. I won't get coffee because I need to sleep for 2 hours. Oh my god, they don't have anything. They still have to repair, so, and I don't have time to make noodles. I only have 5 minutes for my train. Cookies? I don't feel like having cookies. Okay. Maybe let me have an easy chocolate. Okay.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really fucked me up, like caused my heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit it. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worry that it won't be enough. Someone must have made me feel bad, but who I was and what I had to give. Oh, someone must have told me a lie, really played with my mind in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back to this, keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love to get. I don't know why, I just can't believe it.
Hey guys, sengifikile kamyeni wami and kuyanetha, so we're not going to go outside. Right now I'm making something to eat. I'm going to cook chicken. I have to wash some dishes, and then I'm also going to make beef and clean around the space. So spend a day with me cooking and cleaning and binge watching YouTube. I hope you guys enjoy. Ngidlala ingoma zabantu abadala and kumnandi. I'll talk to you guys. Hey guys, it's a Sunday and we're going to the beach. We just need some fresh air. It's not raining today, as you can see. So we're not gonna do much. We're just gonna chill and have some drinks. I'm waiting for a taxi right now. It's coming. I hope you guys enjoy.
I need to log off, I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. Feels like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy. Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really good for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be. But self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than.
Guys, we're going home now, and I hope I won't get a copyright, but we're going home. Had a good time. Tomorrow I have to go back to laundry. My man is paying the bill as always.